In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access display. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on Refresh Rate. Lastly, tap on the best option for you, Default or Custom. If you decide to set up Custom, you can pick one of those options. I will go with the highest one. So when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my XIAOMI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!